your head.
How old is Brian? Brian, how old are you?
How old is Brian? How old is Brian? How old are you?
1.
One.
We're gonna get you.
Brian, how old are you? Careful. Michael says this morning, he says, guess what somebody in my class calls Mrs. Dewberry? I said, what? He says, Mrs. Blueberry. You want me to put Doggy off for you? Okay.
Brian, I'm gonna get you.
Brian, go get Blue. Where's Blue? Where's Blue, Doggy? Brian, where's Blue? Go get Blue. Go get Blue. Here, Blue. Here, Blue. Go get Blue. Grandpa can get Blue.
He's back. Barney returns, bringing along his moving, running dance mat. Kids and bucks in the Barney Beach.
Here, Blue. Here, Blue. Here, Blue. Here, Blue. Here, Blue. Here, Blue.
That got the clapper in it?
You're supposed to call it. It's this noise, so you clap it.
Well, you can't do anything if you hold it like that. Look, he's got 2 things on the sides trying to get away. Brian. Brian. Brian, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Do you know the difference between wampus and tautars?
What do you got? Alright, say bye-bye. I gotta go get ready. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Brian, dance. What? Dance, Brian.
Got your head. Here, Techno. Here, Techno. Come on, Techno. Here, Techno. Come on, Techno.
Milder mannered Obakubop created react to touch and sound.
Come on, Blue. Here, Blue. Here, Blue. Here, Blue. Here, Blue. You're supposed to just call it, but it doesn't work. You gotta make a loud noise. Here, Blue. Here, Blue.
Brian, this Grandpa Kooky Man.
Here, Blue. Blue.
Ah!
Blue.
Get down. You're gonna fall. You can't get up there. Grandpa, Brian's getting on the table.
He goes up there.
He's gonna fall off.
He goes on that table, this table. He hasn't fallen off yet. Well, one time he fell off. But he's gonna fall off, get down.